Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can add video in the Canva application for video editing. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open your Canva application and here you will see the options of videos. Click on here and here you can select the size of video. So you can see different size like Facebook video, Instagram reels, and TikTok video, YouTube video. So you can select it according to you. So for example, I want to select simply blank options, then I will click on it. So after that you will see the options of upload. So click on it and then you will see upload file. So click on it and then you will see three lines on top left corner. Click on it and then select the folder on which you have your video. So for example, I have video in this folder, so I will click on it. So here I will select this video. So for this I will double tap on it. So you can see my video is uploading. So it will take some second. So after uploading, then simply click on it and you can see my video is added in the Canva. So after that you can adjust the size and you can edit your video. So guys, in this way you can add your video in the Canva for editing. So after editing, you can see share options and click on it. So after that you will see download options. So here you can download your video after editing. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.